Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm your host here, Gigi Faison, and I hope you all have had a happy Thanksgiving, or maybe some of you are still having dinner today. But I wanted to share with you guys what my family and I had for Thanksgiving, and I'm going to share with you some of the items in which I made. Now, these gorgeous, beautiful candied yams, I'm going to give credit for this recipe to my friend Grilling with AB, and I will leave his channel link in my description box below. Please check him out and find some amazing recipes. Guys, I was so excited of the way that the syrup on these yams, oh my goodness, they were so delicious. Guys, I saw that they were disappearing, like literally disappearing from the bowl. So I had to go and grab my little bowl and hide me out some just so I can get to taste them, but they were so good. I was also in charge of creating or bringing the dressing. And so I followed my girl over at That Girl Can Cook, and I will leave her channel link in my description box below. Now, I did not have the regular meal to make it from scratch, but I did use the stove top and I added in some of her ingredients, and I decided to use that cast iron skillet. And guys, don't that look delicious? Well, that too went away very quickly. Next, I was also in charge of bringing the banana pudding. Now, the way I like to do I use the instant pudding mix, but I like to give my cookies a little browning on top. So once I get everything into the dish, I'll stick it in the oven for about 3 to 5 minutes. Let my cookies get a nice little soft brown topping, and then I'll go in and add the whip and the cream cheese. So here we go. Next, we're going to be at Mom's house where you will see the spread. I actually made the turkey. Doesn't it look delicious? This is my pan of dressing, my cranberry sauce, and over I slipped by that praline and pecan ham. Um, so delicious. Mom made the biscuit, the fried chicken, the black eyed peas, the butter beans. My daughter made the little smokies. She made the mac and cheese. Mom made the collards and the cabbage. And the dessert table. This is Mom trying to hide out from the camera. She's enjoying her kitchen. And I will share with you guys a little bit later on. Mom is about 2 minutes from me now. We're able to get her settled close to me. So this is family gathering at her new home for the first time for Thanksgiving. My brother's moving through, my niece is moving through, Mom is back in the refrigerator. So guys, this was my Thanksgiving day. I hope yours was amazing and great. Be blessed until the next time. Thank you.